also have to bring this up because it does bother me. When me and him got together, stories started to circulate that while we had just gotten together, you were going around telling people that he is your totka. Yes.
Okay.
So those are the two problems
Okay.
that are just like laid out to me.
It was about a person that we both shared a common denominator with. So this person is Harvey, kuya. Harvey and I had history. Nanligaw po siya sa akin, I think 2 years ago for a year, and now Harvey is AC's current boyfriend.
Okay, first, gusto ko mag-thank you kasi it takes a lot of guts, especially na this is just our first day hanging out together. Okay na mas maaga mo siyang binyang up kaysa yung magtagal, and ayoko naman na parang yung dating magplastikan tayo.
Yeah.
Ano yung first mo bring up?
You said I have a problem with you.
Yun.
Yes.
It's true that I said that, but I said I felt like you had a problem with me, pero hindi ako galit at all. I just felt like it kasi aminin naman natin, kapag nagkikita tayo sa labas, hindi tayo masyadong nagpapansinan.
But I always try to say
Me also, I always try to say hi also rin naman. Pero alam naman natin pareho na may sense of awkwardness.
Yes,
I mean, it's a normal thing.
Yes.
We had history and ikaw yung bago ngayon. So it's normal. Yung dun sa Totga, when you and Harvey got together, so yung totoo ha, I was very, very happy for him.
Yes.
And it's true that he was my Totga. It's just that, alam mo naman na at that time, kasi when nililigaw siya sa akin, I was not in a good place. So, hindi ko sinabi yun because gusto ko siya kuminsa ulit.
Yeah.
Of course, not at
No,
all.
no, I didn't
In fact,
think
AC, I'm so happy nakahanap siya ng babae na makakatapat ng parehong love na nabibigay niya sa mundong to. So, when I said that, it wasn't to hurt you at all,
not at all.
really, but it was to say that he's a great guy.
Yeah.
And like, talking to you now made me realize that he's just as lucky to have you as you are to have him. Yun lang, gusto ko lang i-clear up yun.
Yeah,
Talaga.
totally. I didn't get hurt. I don't
Yeah,
want you to
hope
think I got
not.
hurt. Ako kasi, I didn't think we had a problem at all.
Yeah.
We may have this awkwardness, but we don't have to live with each other.